Okay, so have you guys ever wondered what an R60 would do to make a difference with regards to sound dampening in your home, especially if you've got this stuff installed in your ceiling? Well, let's find out. Okay, so this is my ringtone here, and I'm gonna touch this. I'm gonna put this down, right? Put this down here, so you can kind of hear it now. All right. And now we've got ourselves a R60 on top of this. I can barely hear it. And just so that it's not off, you know, let's go and find out where it is. Let's dig it up. Okay, take two then. So it did shut off. Okay, so I'm putting it under. So this is your R60 right here. So you can just like that.